got the coffee.
Welcome back to my world of makeup. So basically episode 1 consists of the eye makeup, solely the eye makeup. This is basically called a smoky glittery eye using the technique of reverse cut crease. I've divided this video into parts, so you will have pretty long and descriptive, more knowledgeable videos this time. So if you want to learn the eye segment, so this is the eye makeup we've done. You want to go and see how I camouflaged, how I did my skin, my base, which is like really flawless right now. So if you want to learn that, you have to go to the next video. So to learn more, do not forget to subscribe. Also go and like my Instagram page. Keep sharing your love. Mwah. Okay, so now we have to begin with episode 1, which is all about the eye makeup. So I don't want to rush through the video. That's why I've divided into separate parts, as you already know by now. So if you want to see how I camouflage, how I contour, how I highlight, correct everything, you have to see the other video, but only after watching this video. So step number 1 is you have to begin with your eye makeup, because today we'll be playing with some glitters, and you have to be very careful when you're playing with glitters. So I'm going to go slow, step by step. I want you to see everything. So now let's begin by taping the eyes, the corners. If you're not very comfortable with using this tape, you can use a doctor's tape as well. And first you can stick it here so that you know the glue on the tape, it does not hurt your skin. So now the intensity is a bit mild. I'll just zoom in a bit. Okay. So I'll leave a little gap here because I want a smudge kajal as well. You have to be very careful about one thing, कि यहाँ का और यहाँ का जो आप टेप लगाएंगे वो एक सिमेट्री में है. Exactly same होना is very difficult, but it can be in a symmetry. I have lost the end thanks to my long nails that I'm always able to easily find this edge. So guys, if your skin is very sensitive, then you can give it a thought. Like, it's not compulsory to put this tape, it's just for ease. You can easily get a perfect edge. So if you don't get it right in the first attempt, you can always move a little behind, especially if you're doing on a client. Then you can move a bit behind and then you can see from far off. Now I'll quickly do the 3 beginning steps, which I always do if you're following my videos, and I'm sure you'll be knowing that by heart by now. So I'm using this Elixir primer for the eye, so it gives your eye a good base. So I took a drop of it, like less than a drop. I think the amount I took was more. I should have taken lesser than that. So I'll just spread it here as well. So basically, do you remember कि हम eye makeup पहले क्यों करते हैं? Don't you remember? You've seen it in all my videos. So basically, जब हम eye makeup करते हैं and we are playing with the darker colors, we are playing with glitters, there's a lot of fallout, and that is very difficult to handle once you've applied your foundation and your base. So we'll start with the eye makeup first. I have primed my eyes. You can use any primer, and अगर नहीं भी use करोगे तो भी चलेगा. अब second step क्या है? Second step, जैसे कि हमेशा मैं आपको बताती हूँ, the second step is using the lightest shade of matte concealer you have on your lids. उसका reason भी आपको पता है ना? Okay, tell me what it is. अच्छा, we are doing it very slowly, so this video might be a bit long. अगर आप देखेंगे कि इसमें सिर्फ आई मेकअप करा है हमने, so it could be a bit long, but that's okay. Learning is what we are trying to do here. So अब हम लेंगे lightest shade of concealer I have. So it's a wonderful concealer by Maybelline. इसका review मैं already डाल चुकी हूँ. You can check it on my IGTV and my YouTube as well. So basically अब हम almost 3/4 of our eye we will cover it with this concealer. So अब ये हम cover क्यों करते हैं concealer से और lightest shade का क्यों लेते हैं? ये आप लोग बताएंगे मुझको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, क्योंकि मैंने ये अपने हर वीडियो में बताया है कि ये स्टेप क्यों नेसेसरी है. आई विल नॉट रिपीट इट. गो फाइंड आउट एंड कॉमेंट. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. तो आई हैव टेकन दिस टाल. इसमें मैं ये थोड़ा ड्राई कर रही हूँ बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट इट टू बी ड्रेनिंग विद वाटर. द वाटर शुड नॉट बी ड्रिपिंग. It's dry enough, can be more dry. So basically it's a matte concealer. So बहुत देर तक हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. अगर हम इसको बहुत देर तक अपनी आंखों में छोड़ते हैं तो what happens is that it dries out. And कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर आपका बेस ड्राई हो गया है तो there is a very simple thing you can do about it. That is उसमें थोड़ा सा मेकअप सेटिंग स्प्रे हल्का सा स्प्रे कर दो. So that's the hack. Can you see? Nicely blend it. So this one is a very cute beauty blender. It was sent to me by my friend Simran. Thank you, Sim. I'm such a gifted child. So many products are gifted. That's such a cool thing, right? Okay, so by the way, I also have a mirror right here. My double chin was visible. Okay, so I have a mirror right here and I'm also seeing it there. If everything is blended well. तो ये अच्छे से blend करना है वरना creasing हो सकती है. Instead of Maybelline, you can also use the Shape Tape concealer from Tarte Cosmetics. That's amazing because it's totally full coverage concealer. And I'm going to take this Huda Beauty powder, loose powder in the shade Cupcake. And I will just take it on my brush and gently I'm gonna dab it, pack it in my eyelid. So basically इस स्टेप से क्या फ़ायदा हमें होने वाला है. नंबर 1 कि जो हमारा मेकअप बेस है इट्स नॉट गोना मूव जब हम इस पे आई शेडो लगाएंगे. सेकेंडली क्योंकि हमने अपनी आईज जो है लाइट कर ली हैं तो जो भी हम कलर अप्लाई करेंगे इट्स गोना पॉप आउट. Like I always tell you, it's gonna pop out like this blue in this hairband. So this is very important if you want your eyeshadow to
I'll begin
stay
with
for the
transition shade. I'll use the lighter shade.
And now it's
not a very new step if you're
transition.
following my videos. So now I'll start by stretching my eye from the brow, and you have to begin from your last lash. So I'm just going over my crease with the lightest shade. So basically concentrate on the outer end and slowly come towards your inner corners with the leftover product. So basically you should not be really worried if by the time you reach the inner corner the product fades away. It's okay, you can have like 3-4 wipes. And now I have changed my color to the pink. After the transition shade, this is my second shade. So basically I'm trying to build some depth slowly and gradually. I mostly use a mix of 2 motions to move my brush, which is the windshield wiper motion and circular motion. So basically in the windshield wiper motion you have to take support of your pinky finger, like support it on your face or the client's face, whereas in the circular motion it just moves round and round, just small round strokes of the brush. So it makes everything simple and blends everything together. Did you guys notice that if you are watching my videos closely and if you're following them, then you will know that this step is nothing new. It's nothing very new. The steps are almost the same, it's just that you're playing with different colors. And now I'll take a tapered brush and I'll take this darker burgundy maroon kind of a shade to intensify my crease area. So basically जहाँ हमने transition shade अपना deposit करा था, now we'll deposit some more color. So जब तक यहाँ थोड़ी intensity, थोड़ी depth और ज़्यादा नहीं increase हो जाती, we'll keep depositing the color. पर इतना भी नहीं deposit कर देना कि it becomes like super cakey. Remember, you have to know when to stop blending and how much to blend. So there's a very fine line there. And now I'll again go back with the lighter shade and I'll just pull up my brow a bit. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं stretch करनी है. The reason for that is जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा stretch कर लेते हैं and when we release it, so there are chances that there is creasing and there are lines, fine lines, which we really don't want. Now taking the same brush, same tapered brush, I'll again take a shade darker. Did you see कि मैं slowly and gradually अपने colors की intensity बढ़ाई? Earlier it was like the lightest shade, then a shade darker, then darker, and now the black. And you have to remember that you have to start. Okay, I should stop making funny faces. So I have to start from the last lash. क्योंकि जब हम पूरा ब्लेंड कर रहे होते हैं तो उससे बाहर वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुद ही चला जाता है. सो कैन यू सी एक थोड़ा इंटेंसिटी बिल्ड हो रही है, हमारी होनी स्टार्ट हो गई है. सो दैट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग हाउ यू सी कि पूरे कलर्स जो हैं एक दूसरे में मर्ज कर रहे हैं. While recording these voice overs for you, मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं एक तोता हूँ जो कि बोलता जा रहा है, बोलता जा रहा है, बोलता जा रहा है. But that's okay. It's important for you to learn. So see, if you've noticed one thing, कि मैं बार बार वही कलर्स आगे पीछे वही डिफरेंट ब्रशेस से आई एम प्लेइंग विद देम. तो उसकी कोई पर्टिकुलर टेक्निक नहीं है कि आपने बस पहले ये स्टेप करा, सेकंड स्टेप करा. यू आर द बेस्ट जज ऑफ योर आई मेकअप. आपको दिख रहा है कि कितना आपका ब्लेंड हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, कैसा हो रहा है. एंड नाउ it's time to cut your crease. You've seen this also, this step many a times. अभी एक flat brush लिया है मैंने and मैंने अपने हाथ में इसलिए लिया है concealer so that बहुत ज़्यादा product जो है वो brush में नहीं आए, because there might be a problem later on. So we can obviously pick up more product from the back of our hand. And now I am spreading this concealer. जब concealer spread हो जाए तो don't forget this step. So basically जो end है वो आपको blend करना है with your finger so that everything is seamless and beautiful. ये जो आप crease cut करते हैं, you need a lot of practice in this step. So अगर आप बहुत perfect नहीं हैं तो make sure आप थोड़ा नीचे से start करें so that गड़बड़ कम हो. अगर आप ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट लेकर चले जाएंगे तो उसको करेक्ट करना would be difficult. So start from a bit lower than the area you're trying to achieve, and again I'm using my finger to blend this so that the edges are smooth. I'm watching your steps, baby. And now let's take a flat brush and some pressed pigment from my Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette for the inner corner. And now let's spray some setting spray over it. I have a warning here. Now, because your brush base is wet due to the spray, do not swipe it on the lid. It will wash off the base and make it look messy. Only pat the product very gently. This was the lightest shade, and now picking some more product and mixing a copperish and goldenish shade for the second part. It's going to like begin from where we stopped using the lightest shade, and now we'll merge it with the ends. Remember where we smudged our concealer? So basically अभी ये जो सेकंड कलर हमने लिया है ये वहाँ तक जाएगा, एंड वील मर्ज इट विद द डार्कर आउटर कॉर्नर्स. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो बेसिकली वो लाइट पिंक शिमर था जो ये गोल्डन एंड कॉपर शिमर है. सो वी हैव टू ब्लेंड ऑल ऑफ देम सेपरेटली. पहला पॉइंट जो उसको ब्लेंड करने का था, दैट वाज वेयर द गोल्डन कलर एंड द पिंक कलर मर्ज्ड. The second point of blending it is where the golden and copper merged with the darker area. So बहुत अच्छे से you may use a fresh brush for that and a very light movement. And now it's time to use some dark color. Again, we have to go back and forth with the colors. I've taken a magenta sort of color because it's a pigmented color. I've sprayed some makeup setting spray here and इसको मैं edge में लगा लूँगी so that the edges are darkened because it's more of a smoky reverse cut crease. So to give that smoky effect, it's important कि जो ends हमारे हैं they are darker than the inner corners, just to give it a smoky effect. I'm working on the darker color because I don't want कि वो जो black color है it gets overshadowed with the cut crease. So उसके लिए I'll just darken the ends again. Now it's time for the smudged eyeliner. These days, more than those perfect eyeliners, I'm liking the smudged eyeliners a lot. So basically बहुत roughly हमने एक line create कर दी थी and I merged it with the outer end and जो इसी में एक sponge हमारा आता है, most of the kajals have it these days, and now I'll smudge it a bit. Next step is basically, as I always tell you, that every creamy product needs a powdery topping on it. So वो जो हमारी काजल को हमने smudge करा था उसके ऊपर मैंने एक black line of eyeshadow लगा दी है so that it does not move later on and it stays there like for the longest time. And I'm so tired. God. Again, smudge it till you think that it's perfect. Do not over smudge it and do not under smudge it. Can you see it has merged with the outer corners and it looks good. अब बारी आती है loose glitters की. Now I don't have a glitter glue available with me right now, so I'm using some moisturizer. It's just a jugaad. Otherwise you must have a glitter glue. It's gonna be better for you. And I'm gonna mix these two, silver and golden glitter. So I'll just take a flat brush, उसमें थोड़ा सा क्रीम लगा के इसको मैं स्वाइप नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि अगर मैं स्वाइप करूँगी तो मेरे ग्लिटर्स जब उस पर स्टिक होंगे तो उसी पैटर्न में स्टिक होंगे. Now I've mixed both the glitters directly from their bottle and I'll just pat on the areas जहाँ हमने मॉइस्चराइज़र पैट करा था because यहाँ हमें एक स्वीपिंग मोशन नहीं चाहिए, हमें एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न में नहीं चाहिए glitters. It's just it has to be neat so that it stays inside the crease. एंड ये जो हमारा स्मोकी आईलाइनर था उसको हमें कवर नहीं करना है. सो इफ़ यूल सी हियर आई विल मेक एन एरर. अभी थोड़ा सा मेरा क्रीम जो है वो मेरे लाइनर पे आ गई थी, सो आई क्लीन दैट विद अ पेंसिल ब्रश. एंड नाउ अगेन कैन यू सी ग्लिटर्स जो हमने लगाए हैं वो स्मोकी स्मज्ड आईलाइनर के ऊपर लगाए हैं. एंड नाउ आई टाइट लाइन the inner waterline, upper waterline with a black kohl. It's a very important step. And now let's remove the tape. Can you see that smooth clean line? You can get it with a lot of practice without the tape as well, but if you want convenience you can use a tape anytime. And I'll use a black kohl now to waterline my eyes. I mean to color the waterline. बोल के मैं इतना थक गई हूँ कि अब मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ कि मैं बोल क्या रही हूँ. Oh my God, it's a 21 minute का वीडियो guys. So I've been speaking for last 20 minutes already. Okay, so हमने काजल लगा लिया है अच्छे से. अब इसके ऊपर आपको पता है कि हमें क्या करना है. We have to take an eyeshadow so that the kajal does not smudge at all and you don't get those dark circles after 1 hour. You'll have a flawless eye makeup. And I'm tired. Makeup करके तो tired नहीं हुई, पर I think ये voice over करके I'm really tired. So अब हमने क्या करा है, ये ग्लिटर ग्लू लिया है मैंने. सॉरी, इट्स नॉट अ ग्लिटर ग्लू, इट्स अ ग्लिटर आईलाइनर. एंड वो थोड़ा सा मैं एक without any pattern मैं हल्का सा ये lower lash में लगाऊंगी. And now I'll spread it with something. Use a smudger or a pencil brush and just smudge it so that एक particular proper line नहीं होनी चाहिए. Use any highlighter or a shimmer shade to highlight your inner corner. So basically आप कोई भी जो detailing करते हो अपने makeup में, it intensifies the beauty of your makeup. So जो छोटी छोटी बारीकियों पे आप ध्यान देते हैं उतना मेकअप अच्छा होता है. And now you know that we have to highlight the brow bone. And इसको हम highlight करेंगे and you can take a brush to smudge it together, merge it together. And now it's time for the mascara. If you want, you can use false lashes on top of it. First put a coat of mascara and then put some falsies. A separate video will be posted for the eyebrow tutorial. And with this we come to the end of this eye makeup lesson. It's a very versatile look and you can carry it beautifully with your western outfits if you're going for a cocktail, or if it is your cocktail and you want to do your makeup yourself, then you must go through this video. Otherwise you can carry it off with any kind of attire. Enjoy the look, guys. I love you. The next episode is about how to do your skin prep and then how to camouflage, how to conceal.